Hello everybody, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures.
Today, we're going to Disneyland. Actually, we went to Disneyland a week ago.
Yeah.
But this is the second part of our Disneyland Holiday Tips and Tricks Secrets video.
Yeah, welcome to part 2. Aren't you excited? Haven't you been counting down the days until this video? It's finally here.
Here we go. Come with us on this adventure. And now we're sitting down, waiting for the parade. As always, I recommend go for the second parade, not the first parade. All the kiddies go to the first parade. You can a much better chance of getting a seat at the second parade. This is your favorite parade.
Yeah, it's my favorite parade, and it should be noted, I'm still making Peter sit with me about 45 minutes before the parade starts, so we do get a seat. Because I just love this parade so much, I'm probably gonna cry.
Why does Mrs. Claus just get a bunch of people dancing around her and Santa Claus gets its own float?
No, it's not right. If you couldn't tell, the snowmen are my favorite part of that entire parade.
I don't know the words to this song, but that doesn't stop me from singing along.
You're embarrassing me.
Hands down, this is the best time of year. Hi, everyone. I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. Oh, everyone's so festive.
I like the float where the toys are being made and it goes through a conveyor belt and then they're wrapped and made into gift boxes. I don't know, it's a clever float.
It's a good one. I like that one as well. I like the whole parade.
And a grand and glorious New Year! Do you believe in the magic of Christmas?
Yay!
You do? Oh, good! Merry Christmas to one and to all!
That is a great parade. I think it probably is the second best parade, only to the electrical light parade.
The parade just makes me feel like a child again, so I love it so much.
We should have called this channel Childless Millennials at Disneyland.
That would be an appropriate channel name.
Yeah.
Should we change it?
I think it's too late at this
Okay.
point. If you're looking to get a good view of the lights outside It's a Small World, I actually recommend don't go to the front of the attraction. Actually go to the side. To the left side, right next to the gift shop, right where the stroller parking is. There you can get an incredible view of the lights. Speaking of another underappreciated section of Disneyland, Toontown has decorations for Christmas. It's so cute. I feel like Cars Land gets all the love, but people should be going to Toontown.
Yeah, everybody forgets about Toontown, but we're here to show you that it rocks.
That's a big ribbon.
Yeah, I love this. I noticed right over there they have like chickens, like rubber chickens decorated in Santa outfits. I've never noticed that before. That's good. Watch out.
In Toontown Square, they even have their own tree. It's a little bit smaller than the one on Main Street or Buena Vista Street, but it's still cute.
It's got so much character. It looks like one of those like old school ceramic Christmas trees. I don't know about you, but growing up, my grandma always had like 20 of those around the house on Christmas. So I'm very fond of this tree. I think it's probably my favorite in all of Disneyland.
And that's not the only tree you can find in Toontown. You can actually find small trees right in front of Mickey and Minnie's houses.
Yeah, and they look exactly like that other one, just a little bit smaller.
Minnie's tree has a little pink bow on top, of course. Hidden Mickey? I think so.
Disneyland fact for you. Did you know that Walt Disney actually had a favorite horse on King Arthur's Carousel in Fantasyland and Disneyland? Well, he did, and his name was Jingles because he has a bunch of bells on him.
They're right there. Some people probably don't know this, but in Fantasyland, there's actually a holiday shop that you can go to and get all your ornaments and stuff for Christmas. There's actually a whole store just dedicated to it. In our holiday merch video, we showed you some new ornaments that showed the locations on Main Street in Toontown, the interiors and exteriors. One that we didn't see is they actually have one for It's a Small World.
So cute. So cute. One year I'll bite the bullet and get these.
You need to get both, though.
I know, it's like $100+.
One of my favorite parts of the store is it smells like Christmas. They have some kind of scent machine. It looks like almost like a fog machine is hidden behind here, and it just gives out this like pine tree Christmas, cinnamon Christmas smell. And we need to buy one for our house because our fake Christmas tree does not smell like Christmas. I love Christmas ornaments, but they're always so expensive. And here they're like $25 each. But if you buy 3, they could be $20 each. That's how they get you.
All these are great. That's the problem. I was thinking this might be a must-buy Heimlich from A Bug's Life, just because Bug's Land closed in California Adventure, and I feel like this. And he has like a little candy corn, and we all know how much I love candy corn. Candy corn.
Oh my God, they have BB-8 ears. As you know, we have a droid tree. We have we have an R2 ears. Do we need BB-8 ears?
Try it on to see what it looks like.
Twice a night in front of the castle, they do this thing called Wintertime Enchantment. And it's basically lights, there's some snow, it's magical. We're gonna check it out. I know people like to give our castle some crap. It's smaller, it's not as big and epic as the other castles. But at Christmas time, I feel like it beats out the other castles. Like, it just looks so magical.
I'm not biased or anything, but I think the Disneyland Castle, especially during Christmas time, is just so beautiful.
In just a few minutes, Sleeping Beauty Castle will come to life with all the magic of the season.
Look! Look at the sky! Do you think it could snow?
It's snowing in Southern California.
You see this thing snowing?
It might not be real snow, but it's just magical. If you do go to this, I do recommend that you go closer to the hub and not go close to the castle because the snow comes out of the poles right around the hub. And you want to experience that snow in Disneyland because it's magical.
Yeah, we ran to that snow, and let me tell you, it was worth it. We came to the Jolly Holiday because they have this thing called the Thanksmas sandwich, and it's just turkey stuffing and cranberry sauce, and that sounds right up our alley, and we cannot wait to try it.
So basically it's Thanksgiving in a sandwich. Or is it Christmas in a sandwich? Wait, do we eat differently between Thanksgiving and Christmas? I feel like we eat the same thing.
This is Thanksgiving leftovers in the form of a sandwich. This was so good.
This looks incredible. If this is as good as it looks, this might be my new favorite. Let's see. One of my favorite sandwiches ever is that Earl of Sandwich, and it's the Thanksgiving sandwich. And this is pretty close. This is very close to that. I feel like the turkey isn't as evenly spread out, but you're right, it's moist. The cranberry is sweet, and stuffing, we know, stuffing made me fat. So I love stuffing.
You're full of stuffing?
Full of stuffing. I think a lot of people write off Jolly Holiday as just being for baked goods, but they actually have really, really good food. If you're looking for a dessert this holiday season at Disneyland, look no further than the Mint Julep Bar. This is where you can normally get Mickey beignets, but yet during the holiday season, they have Peppermint Mickey beignets, which makes beignets even better. Okay, so we got the Mickey-shaped Peppermint beignets. Smells so good. What you got to do is actually stick around. You want the sugar to get all over it. Oh, it's so warm. It's so soft. You know, honestly, when I was taking this first bite, I was like, this doesn't even taste like peppermint, and then it hits you. Like a Mack truck. It's
like a truck full of candy canes?
This is incredible. This is awesome. Get this.
Beignets! To eat or not eat? There is no try. Yoda, calm down. Jeez, these are mine. The funny thing about this place is, everywhere you look on the ground, there's powdered sugar. And I was just like thinking the Disneyland cats at night must like come here and just like have a sugar rush party.
They're licking the floor.
Yeah, they're just licking the floors all night, like having a rave. The things I think about.
I'll be quite honest with you. Since starting this channel, I had been on a diet and I gained like 20 pounds of it back. And we just tried to take photos for our thumbnail, the thumbnail you see when clicking on the video, and I didn't like any of them. I was like, oh my God, I look so fat. Why do I look so fat? I need to go back on a diet. And then 5 seconds into eating one of these Mickey beignets, I'm like, oh, yeah, that's why I'm fat. Mickey beignets. Stuffing, Mickey beignets, and I like food. I need, this channel is bad for my health. I need to stop eating.
Here's the good news. It's the holiday season, so, you know, everybody eats more for the holidays, right? So pretty soon, we'll be a boring channel again. We won't be eating anything fun.
I somehow doubt that that's the case.
Yeah, you're right. There's always so much extra powdered sugar in this bag. Would it be acceptable if I just like chugged the sugar after? Wow, yeah, you're right. This is why we're fat, because I just had that thought in my mind.
It's so good, guys. I need to lose weight, but this is so good. This is so good. This is going on the internet. Thousands of people are going to watch this. I don't care about the 5 people that are around us. Thousands. Maybe a 10,000. We're lucky. Probably just a few thousand.
He's clearly lost his mind. You're a little loopy right now, I think. It's all this peppermint sugar.
We took photos for this vlog. Look at how fat I look.
Yeah, but the problem is, I look like abnormally skinny. Like, I look like I'm happy. Like, I don't know what's going on. And trust me, I don't actually look like that. I don't know what is happening in that photo, but...
This photo is making me depressed. But I've gotten some sugar in my body, so I'm not crying, so. While we're here over by the Haunted Mansion, I wanted to brag about my new shirt. I think this shirt is awesome. Guillermo del Toro is one of my favorite directors. I was at Comic-Con when it was announced that he was going to direct a movie based on the Haunted Mansion. That movie never happened. By the way, we didn't get paid to plug this t-shirt. I just love this t-shirt. If you want a cool t-shirt, buy some Ordinary Adventures merch. There's a link in the description below. Yeah, you cowards.
Someone just walked past us and was like, ooh, a vlogger. So, got that going for us. Every year for the holiday season here at Disneyland, they make these special, handmade, limited edition candy canes here at the Candy Palace on Main Street. It's first come, first serve. You come, you get a wristband, and then hopefully you get yourself an awesome candy cane. They even give out a schedule with all the days that they're doing it. And I'm tempted. I feel like we need to come back and do this.
From what I understand, the process of making candy canes is really intense. They only produce like 150 of them a day or something like that. So if you gotta like run in here at rope drop to get one of these candy canes, it's like a coveted item.
Yeah.
But we've never done it. Should we do it? Tell us in the comments below.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
We need to lose weight.
But candy canes, limited edition candy canes. Upon further review of this little card, they actually do it in DCA too, but rumor has it the ones here on Main Street are better. Maybe we should come and get both.
So Disney has found a way to make money off everything. They sell plushes, and now they found a way to blind bag plushes. And of course, you know Kitra, my girl right there, she loves mystery boxes, and she also loves the Christmas parade.
These are, you could get one of 4 characters from the Christmas parade. You could get the reindeer, Mickey, or the gingerbread man, or the snowman, which is the one I want. I'm gonna go completely blind. I'm not even gonna like try to feel, so should I get this one or should I switch it for a different one?
Up to you.
I'm just gonna get this one. Okay. It's not the snowman. It's the second one that I wanted. It's a cute reindeer. Look at that. Next time, I will get the snowman. Mark my words.
When we were at Disneyland, we got this notification from our security camera. And our dog Pixel, there was this weird thing. Lights fell outside on our patio. And our dog Pixel made a weird movement and it notified us on our phone. So while we're here at Disneyland at this moment, we get this notification. We look at our video feed of our dog Pixel, and this is what we saw. Now, this is not the sound that Pixel ever makes.
No, we've listened to this probably like 100 times since then because it's so funny.
It's hilarious.
She's usually very quiet, so yeah, this was quite the shock.
Well, she was trying to alert everybody that something was wrong with the area where she goes pee, so yeah. Above, you can watch our last trips to Disneyland for the holidays. We tried to eat all the things at the Festival of Holidays, and we tried to find all the new Disneyland holiday merchandise.
And if you like what you're seeing here on this channel, please subscribe. It would mean so much. It really does help our channel. Like our video, all that good stuff.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next adventure.